If you've spent any time in Medellin, then you know of Laureles. But within this neighborhood is a sub-neighborhood that locals hold close. I'm talking about Santa Teresita, a place where the neighbors have lived in for many years and where the buildings are well maintained by the HOA, and an area where you feel like you belong in this community and not just another address. I'm standing in the courtyard of one of those buildings right now where the first level is all business, shops, restaurants, markets. And for the property that we're gonna show you today, all of the information is down below in the description. All right, and here it is. As soon as we enter, we get this beautiful sliding barn door. Basically covers your kitchen here. Down the hallway is the main living areas as well as the bedroom wings. But let's go straight into the kitchen because this apartment was completely renovated 2 years ago in 2024. Just take a look at the warm wood cabinets. I really love the design that the owner did here when they did the remodel. The backsplash of that marble back there really brings out the rest of this kitchen, and the lower white cabinets. Along here, you have enough counter space here to do your meal preps. You have the gas stove top there as well. And then on the left-hand side, we have an oven in here. So yes, there is an oven that comes included. And then back here, you have more prep space. You can put all of your appliances down here or storage. And then back here is the laundry area. You could possibly put a double stack, washer dryer stack, or you could just do the 2-in-1, which with the current renters are doing. All right, and let's head out to the main living area. We have a guest bathroom here. Again, everything was remodeled in 2024. Just take a look at the job that the owners did here. Very beautiful. We have 115 square meters, 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. And take a look at this social area. You know, the current renters, they have good taste in terms of furniture. I think they did a really good job furnishing it. Maybe a little bit too big on the furniture, probably feels a little cramped. So you can kind of get an idea of how you would furnish this apartment if you were to purchase it. The ceilings actually came down to where it kind of meets at the window. And so it was just drywall, and they knocked it down, took it out, and now you have high ceilings. They installed LED lighting, which you can switch on. You know, it's currently daytime right now, and you have a lot of natural light coming in already. So during the day, you'll have all of that natural light through these 2 big windows here in the living area. And then when it's night, you can turn on the LED lights and get more of an intimate setting here in your living area. And we'll come over here to this side of the living area. Now they have a dining table here, an overextended dining table, kind of takes up a bit too much space. So you could probably do the same thing, just maybe a smaller dining table, or turn this into an area of an office space if you need that extra office space, or a play area if you have children. And what I love about this apartment is that the building is classic, it's timeless, it's your classic brick Laureles building. But inside here in this apartment, it's modern, it has its own identity, it has its own soul of an apartment here. So we'll head over to the bedrooms here. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 115 square meters. All of the other information that you need about this apartment is going to be down below in the description. They have kind of a queen size bed set up here, maybe a double size. And then the ceilings are high ceilings because they would actually come down to this point right here. The owner was telling me, tore everything down. You know, the complete remodel that they did in 2024 was a complete reno job. And so they extended the height here. And this is being set up as a bedroom. The current renters have children, and this is one of their kids' bedrooms. And this one has a walk-in closet. That's why I thought it was a master bedroom, because of the walk-in closet. And this one has its own private bathroom. All the bedrooms here have their own private bathroom. And again, the redesign here is just amazing. I love the floating sink there. The shower head here is that rainfall type of shower. And I know a lot of you that are watching are probably over 6 feet tall, as I am. The rainfall shower head is always a plus. Now let's head over to the other guest bedroom. I think this one's a little bit more spacious, so you could probably put a bigger size bed if you want. Again, the ceilings were extended. The window brings in natural light. That's something that you see throughout the entire apartment, is that all this natural light coming in here. Same design throughout the entire apartment, again, with the waterfall shower head over there. Now let's walk in over to the master bedroom, and I just love the space here. You can definitely put a king size bed. Again, natural light, and something that I haven't pointed out yet is the hardwood floors throughout the entire apartment. And now let's head over to the walk-in closet, the ensuite walk-in bathroom. Here's your closet space, used to its full capacity. Pretty much the same design as the other full bathrooms in the other bedrooms. And then you have the waterfall rainfall shower head. And I really love the design here on the back. You know, the cement style here on the walls does give it a nice little contrast look throughout the entire apartment, with the white walls that are intentional, that bring in and capture that natural light from outside. This completely renovated apartment in a building with real history, a real community, and real soul, just here in the small pocket of Santa Teresita of Laureles. All of the information about this property is down below in the description. This apartment is a lot rarer than you think. So when you're ready to purchase in 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, and you want to use our proven system, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you, and I'll see you guys here in Medellin.